Good morning. It is a Wednesday. Today is manufacturing day. We're gonna go pick up some raw materials and bring you guys along for the journey. So we're kind of excited today because we're gonna actually be machining parts. So let's see how it goes. But take this in, you guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. And what a nice view. All of this is lively and booming right now. It's the morning time. People are getting up to go to work. And we're getting up to go to work as well. So yeah, they're doing some construction right over. That's where the noise is. Hey everyone, this is Abhi from FLUIX. If you're a PC gamer, chances are your CPU cooler might be boring, and you could really use more performance out of your gaming rig. Introducing a truly one-of-a-kind solution from FLUIX, the world's first multi-inlet water block, the FLUIX TRI-SWIFT. The TRI-SWIFT design has a high flow configuration with two dual inlets on each side of the water block, injecting turbulent flow onto the heatsink. This greatly increases the rate of heat transfer and performance. The center outlet efficiently exhausts the heated fluid out of the water block. Thermal throttling, you say? We never heard of it. Game, stream, design, and overclock endlessly with the FLUIX TRI-SWIFT. If you're interested in seeing this product out on the market, you can get $20 off the TRI-SWIFT by filling out our interest form. Go to fluixengineering.com/preorder and scroll down to get to the Get Notified button. Fill out your name, email, and make sure to opt into our newsletter, and you'll receive your $20 off coupon.
We're gonna use copper because it has the highest thermal conductivity.
We're gonna show you guys how we take this raw copper and turn it into a beautiful heatsink. Hey guys, we're just having some lunch with Christian and Eduardo. I like the soup and the this is
tuna with potato.
Tuna with potato. Wow.
And tuna.
Guys, the food is really good. We're just having a lunch break before we get out to work. Just arrived to the shop with Christian and Eduardo. We're about to head up and start up the machines, and we'll show you guys how we make our water blocks. Hey guys, we're prepping the machine, finding the 0 point, and running the spindle to make sure everything goes well before cutting the raw material. Now we're drilling the holes in the material. We have to drill 16 more holes for this part, for 5 water blocks. Hey guys, this is Christian, our manufacturing engineer. He's working on the CNC right now to mill out the heat sinks.
Hello guys, the heat sinks are almost done.
Awesome. You guys just had some amazing fish soup over here. It's called encebollado. I think I pronounced it right, but it's basically a soup that has fish, shrimp, and onions on it. And it was really good. I'm eating with Christian and Eduardo. All right, guys, step 2. So the bar will look like this before it gets turned into a heatsink. It looks really rough right now, but watch what we do in a couple of hours. This is a block of copper before we machine out the heatsink fins. After we machine out the copper, we make the world's first multi-inlet water block, the FLUIX TRI-SWIFT. Well, this one's made out of aluminum. Then we put that water block on the FLUIX wall station, an all-in-one liquid-cooled wall-mounted PC frame.